about Linux operating system. Okay, so this tutorial is based upon. Hello hackers, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be learn about the Linux. So if you're starting your career in the cybersecurity or ethical hacking, so this is the basics for you. And in this stream, in this video, we will cover all the basics of Linux. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and also follow me on Medium, so you will get cybersecurity articles from there. Okay. Oh shit, man. Okay. Okay, now my voice is audible. All right. Okay. So again, start from the commands. So the first command is pwd. So before starting commands, let's understand what is a Linux and how we can use it. So basically, the Linux is an operating system just like a Windows where you can do your task. So it is basically designed for a penetration tester. Okay, so it contains a 600 plus tools for pen testing. So let's start some basics command, and the first command is pwd. Basically, if you want to check the present working directory where you are working right now, so just type here pwd and then this. So you can see here my current directory is home and Horbio. Okay, so the next command is who am I. If you want to check the login user, so you can just type here who am I. Okay, so my current login user is Horbio. Okay, so the next command is navigating the file system. So basically, these are the file system command like cd, mkdir. So firstly, let's talk about the cd command. Basically, it's a change directory. Change directory means if you want to move another directory, simply use cd command and type here directory path. Okay, so change directory and here is the path of directory where you want to move. So now I am in desktop folder. Okay, the folder and directory are same. Okay, so let's check how we can check it by using pwd command. Pw means present working directory and enter. So you can see here I am in desktop directory. So if you want to move one step back, so just type here cd space double dot and you can see here I am in home and Horbio. Okay, I'm exit desktop directory. Okay, so if you want to move two level back, so two level back, just type cd double dot slash double dot enter and then ls pwd. You can see here I am now two step back. Okay, all right, so the next command is to list the file. So let's suppose you are in desktop and you want to check their files. Okay, how many items or how many file and folder inside the desktop directory. So just type ls command. Ls means list. So you can see here the list of directories here inside our root folder. Okay, so the next is if you want to see the hidden directories, so just type ls-la. Next enter. You can see here some hidden directories like dot cache. So dot cache is a hidden directory. So where when the prefix is dot or the file name starts with dot, it's a hidden file. So let's create some hidden file mkdir dot secret secret. So it's a hidden directory. Actually we want a permission and now we have a permission. Okay, oh wait, I'll show you after completing a basics command. Okay, so let's talk about the sudo su command. Basically the sudo su means if you want to take a root privilege, so just type here sudo su super user do and then it is asking for a password and just put the password and you are in root mode. So let's check who is command and sorry, who am I, who am I. So you can see here the user is root right now. Okay, So, okay, so how we can create a hidden directory or hidden file inside a Linux machine? So just type mkdir. If you want to create a directory, just type mkdir and type here secret. Okay, so now enter. So let's see. So list the directory and you can see here the secret folder. Okay, so this is a secret folder that we created. So if you want to make a hidden directory, so just type here and dot secret one, enter, then ls. So you can see here, so our dot secret one directory is not visible here because it's a hidden. So if you want to see hidden folders, so just type ls-la and you can see here, let's find the dot secret one. Okay, so this is our hidden directory. Got it? Okay, so let's talk about some files. If you want to create a empty file, so just type a command touch. So touch command is basically helps to create an empty file. Okay, empty text file. So secret.txt, enter. So now ls, and you can see here is a secret.txt. Let's try to read it and cat secret.txt, and you can see here it's empty. I'll show you in the nano editor. So you can see here it's empty right now. So if I add something here, I add and then ls and then now again cat. So you can see here is a content. Okay, so let's suppose if you want to append your text inside the file. Okay, inside the text file, so simply just write echo and hey, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and then this, and after that type file name where you can append this text. Okay, now enter. Let's try to read it. So you can see here it's appended. Okay, now let's talk about some help command. So if you want to getting a help, so just type hyphen hyphen help or hyphen h. So let's use it. So let's suppose I want to see help menu of nmap. So just type here and nmap hyphen h, and now you can see here this is the help menu. Okay, so this is our help command. Somewhere you can use hyphen hyphen h. All right, so if you want to see a manual page of any kind of tool, so just type man and nmap. So you can see here is the manual page of nmap. So this is the command to see manual page of tool. So the man command is used to see manual page. All right, so just type here locate command and nmap. So you can see here is a binary file of nmap. Okay, hey Suleiman, welcome to our stream. So locate command is help to locate the similar file. Basically it's match the word from the entire file system, and where he get that word and it will show you. Okay, so the next command is where is. Basically it's a similar to locate. Okay, this command returns not only location of the binary but also its source code and man page, okay, if they are available. So let's try where is command. So just type here where is and then write and map. So you can see here, so here is a binary file, libraries, share, libraries, man page. Okay, so this is the where is command. So next command is which command. So basically the which command, so basically it helps to locate our binary file. So if you want to find a binary file, only binary file, so just type here which command and then nmap. So you can see here is the binary file. Okay, binary file of nmap. Next is okay, so next is to perform the powerful search. Okay, so how you can perform your powerful search if you want to find something inside the file system. Let's suppose if you want to find files or with some permission, so you can just type command find command. Okay, so just write find and I want to find only files where name is, its name is, the file name is Apache 2. So this is the find command, which is help to locate a file from the entire file system. So here is a file command, here is a root and then type means files, or here is a name is Apache. So it will locate Apache file, Apache 2, and now enter. So you can see here it's located and now the path appears here. Okay, so if you want to if you want to see in a particular folder, so just type here like you want to find Apache files or folders inside the etc directory, just type etc and then enter. So you can see here. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, so let's suppose if you want to find the suite permission files. Okay, let me show you. U is equal to S, it's a suite permission. Basically it is used for exploitation or privilege escalation. Okay, so just type here if you want to find some particular permission, so just type here perm and then permission is -u is equal to suite and then type. So what you want to find is I want to find files to and then dev and null. Now enter. So you can see here, so these are the file which have a permissions of suid. Okay, all right. So the next command is grep command. Okay, so let's suppose if you want to filter something. Okay, so just type grep command. So I'll show you. So this is my sorry, these are the processes running in my machine and I want to filter it out. So just type ps and ps and then pipe command and grep and so. Now enter. So you can see here this is only, it shows only sudo and so because I applied filter here. Okay, I have applied filter here. Got it? So if you are understand or if you If this topic is helpful for you, please drop your comment here so that I can okay, so let's continue it. So if you want to modify the files, so these commands, like I'll show you how you can modify the files. So if you want to append something inside the file like secret.com, secret.txt, and just type here, hey, this is hacking tutorial. Okay, this is hacking tutorial. Now enter. Get secret.txt. So you can see here it's appended. Okay. Okay. All right. So the next command is to remove a directory or file. So basically you have to type rm-r. So basically remove directory. Okay. So just type here rm means remove, and if you want to remove any file or directory, you can use this command and just type here secret.txt. Now you can see here it's deleted. Okay, so if you want to remove the directory, just type rmdir remove directory and type here secret.txt, sorry, secret directory, and then enter you. So you can see here, the secret directory is disappeared right now. All right, so who are watching me, please drop your comment in the comment box. Okay, so let's move to the second exercise, like text manipulation. Okay, so let's suppose you have a file and you want to see their content. Okay, which kind of content inside the file, but you don't open entire file. So you can use head and tail command to see the head, to see like above 10 lines, or if you want to see the last 10 line of that file, so you can use tail command. So let's demonstrate it. Just type here head and output.html. So you can see here, and so inside the file, this is the content. Okay, this is the content inside output.html. So if you want to type tail and then output.html, so you can see here, this is the last content of that file. I'll show you in nano output.html. So you can see here, this is the above content and these are the below content. Okay, so by using head and tail command, you can just see the content of the file. Okay, so the next command is number line. Okay, so next command is numbering the line. So just type his output.html and you can see here there are numbers. You can just count the number of lines by using nl command. Okay, so let's move to the next command. Okay, so next is network command. Basically, the network commands is helps to see the network configurations. All right. Understanding the networking is crucial for aspiring hackers, and in the many situation, you will be hacking something over a network. So these commands are helpful for you. So the first command is ifconfig. So basically you want to see their IP address, you want to see their interfaces. So just type ifconfig. And if you want to see wireless interface, so just type iwconfig. If you want to see your Bluetooth interface, just type HCI config, and you can see here there is no Bluetooth interface. Okay, so the first one is ifconfig, second one is iwconfig, and third one is HCI config. So the first, if you want to see their Ethernet, okay, so or your IP address, so just type here ifconfig. And if you want to see your wireless configuration or wireless interface, just type iwconfig. And if you want to see their Bluetooth interface, so just type HCI config. Okay, so I hope you understand. All right, so the next command. Okay, so the next command, if you want to change your IP address, so first of all, let's check our IP address. So just type here ifconfig. So this is my IP address, and type ifconfig, and the interface is 0, and just type here on 192.168. Okay, let's change according to this 10.0.2.16, and now enter. Let's see ifconfig and enter. So you can see here it's changed. Okay, so this is the command to change your IP address. So the next command is, if you want to change your network mask and also broadcast address, so just type command ifconfig ethernet and your IP address, and then net mask. Net mask is your subnet mask, then 0, and then broadcast. Okay, so just type here your broadcast IP. So 10.0.2.255. Okay, so you can by using this command you can change your net mask, okay, and broadcast IP. Now let's try to spoof MAC address. How you can spoof MAC address? So just type ifconfig eth0 and down. So now I'll show you my Ethernet 0 interface is down right now. Okay, so just type here ifconfig and Ethernet 0 HW and ether, and you can just type the MAC address 22.33.44.55. According to you, you can type it. Okay, and just type ifconfig eth0 and up. Now enter. Let's try to check it. So you can see here this is my MAC address. Okay, so I have changed it. Okay, I changed. Okay, So if you want to remove your static IP and you want to assign IP by using DHCP, so just type here DH client or your interface name, and then so I have to install first DH client. So let's try to install it. Let's install it. Apt install ISC DHCP client DDNS. Yes, and then who are watching me, drop your comment, drop your comment watching me. Okay, let's move to the another command. Hey, who are watching me, please drop comment. Okay, so let's learn about some DNS command. So the DNS command is the first command is dig command. Basically, by using a dig command, you can see the name server. You can check the IP address. Okay, so let's try it. So firstly, just type dig command and type here. Let's try on google.com and then enter. So okay, so I lost my internet connection. So firstly, I have to fix it. Basically, it's a network manager. I'll show you later what is a network manager and how you can uh, use it. So basically the dig command is used to find the DNS. If you want to find a name server, if you want to find a record or mail server, so just type the dig command. Basically it's a DNS related command. So just type here dig and type google.com, and you can see here is a IP address. And if you want to more information, or just type here dig plus short and type here google.com and enter. So you can see here this is the IP address. Okay. Or if you want to find a mail server, you just type here dig google.com and then type mx means mail server. So you can see here this is a mail server of Google. And let's try to name server. So this is the name server of Google. Let's try to a record. So you can see here this is the record IPv6. And if you want to find IPv4, so you can see here this is the, if you want to text record, so you can see here this is the text record of google.com domain. All right, so this is the dig command. I'll drop all the commands in the comment box after this video. Okay, after this video I'll drop the file. Okay, so if you want to change DNS server in your file in your Linux machine, so just type nano is an editor, and type etc resolve.config. So you can see here this is our one Cloudflare and second is google.com. So these are the name server. If you want to add it, or if you want to change, or if you want to update this file, you can do it. Okay, so just change resolve.config file. All right, so next move to the another one. So the next is, okay, so mapping your own IP address. So go to your etc host folder. So let's say nano etc and host. Okay, so this is the file, host file, where you can basically it's a small DNS server. I'll explain in the networking part how host file is helpful in our machine. Okay, why we are assigning here the IP address and the domain. Basically it's working like a DNS server, where your domain, where your browser get the IP or resolve the domain name into the IP address. So firstly your browser send the request. For before sending the DNS, before sending the request to the DNS server, it will try to check into the host file. Okay, so if it will get the file inside the host file, okay, I'm sorry, if it will get an IP address from the host file, okay, so do not send the request to the DNS server, because we get the IP address from here. I'll explain it deeply when we start networking. Okay, so let's start the command to adding and removing software inside the Kali Linux machine. Okay, so the first command, searching a package. If you want to search package like software, so just type apt cache and type search, and just write here the file, the application or package name, then enter. So this is the proper package. Okay, So now how to install software inside a Kali Linux machine. So just type apt get install and type here the tool name. So it will start downloading. So if you want to uninstall the tool, so just type here apt get remove and tool name. So it will start to removing. Okay. So the next is updating the package. So if you want to update your Linux, so just type apt get update and enter. So it will start updating. Or just if you want to upgrade your packages, so just type apt get upgrade. Clear? Who is watching me? Drop a comment, drop hi. Who is watching me? Drop hi in the comment box. Hey, who are watching me? Anybody there? Okay. Okay, so the next is permission commands. So if you want to check a permission, so just write here ls-l. So you can see here these are the permission. The first D means directory, R means read, W means write, X means execute. Okay, so the first is user, group and others. So the first three is user and the second three is group and the third three is for others. Okay, first three means so these permissions for users. Second three means these permissions for group and the third three means this permission is for others. So let's take an example. So this is a word list and it has a read and write permission only. So the read write permission has a user and the groups have only read permission and the other have only read permission. Got it? So let's try okay, so let's give to the execute permission of the word list.txt. So just type here chmod plus x and the type word list.txt and enter. Let's try to say it. So you can see here now its color has changed and and you can see here is a write permission to the user only. Okay, if you want to add a read permission, write permission, just do it. Okay, so the next is processes. How you can see or how you can kill your processes, how to manage your processes. So the processes, if you want to see their processes, just type ps command and you can see here these are the processes that are running inside my Linux machine. Okay, so if you want to find particular process, like I want to find a ZSH and enter. So you can see here or sudo, okay, ps aux, and you can see here these are the processes that are running inside my Linux machine. Got it? So I'll explain one by one these columns. The first is user. So the first column is user, basically who involved in the process, the root user. Okay, here is a root user, here is a Horview user. And the second is process ID. Third is CPU consumption, and next is memory consumption. Okay, and the command is this binary file where is a which is executed. They are executing right now. Let's suppose I start MSF console here and let's try to see its process. PS PS and AUX and then just grep MSF console. You can see here it's running right now. Okay, so if I stop it, let's stop it. So now it's stopped and let's try to see again. Okay, so if you want to kill processes, so just type ps kill and process ID and enter. Type here kill and process ID and enter. So let's try again to check. No, icon 9 and try to see. So now it's kill. Okay, so now it's killed. You can use pkill also. I hope you learned something valuable from this stream, and if you are watching still, so just comment, just drop hi in the comment and I'll end this stream. Hey, just drop it in the comment box. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you guys. Hey, drop here. Don't forget to subscribe it. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for getting the latest videos. I'll come with a new videos regarding networking, programming, and lot of things. Just drop hi. Hey, all right. So good night. See you tomorrow with a new content. And I hope you understand or you learn something valuable from this stream. Okay. So this is the basics of Linux, and remaining we will cover in next stream. So it's time to take a rest. Okay. Just practice this command, and if you have any doubt, just comment me and I'll solve your doubts. And if you want to learn personally, just contact me. If you want to learn a Python, if you want to learn Linux, if you want to learn bash programming, and if you want to learn a web pen testing or bug hunting, so just contact me. Drop your email address, or don't drop your email address. Okay, do not drop your email address. Basically just comment me here and I'll teach you. I'll contact you. Okay, if you are interested to learn personally, so just comment here. Otherwise I'll share a free content here and deep. Okay. Okay, good night. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay, guys, we'll catch up tomorrow. Bye bye. Good night. See you. And just practice it.